Hi, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today I want to speak to you about how to change your life in 2020 using scripting. Yes, how to change your life in 2020 using scripting. This is a powerful video that's going to help many of you out there make changes to your life using this powerful technique. So I'm telling you to watch this video all the way to the end, and don't forget to like it. And for those of you out there that's new to this channel, this is the Law of Attraction metaphysical channel that brings information to you in an easy to understand manner to help change your life. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell to get notification of my up and coming videos. So now, let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I can tell you about how to change your life in 2020 using scripting? Listen, I'm going to show you guys what I did to make major changes in my life. And then I'm going to tell you what you need to do, okay? But first, let's start off with the steps in scripting. Scripting is nothing that you have to know some magical technique or anything like that. Scripting is actually just writing out your desires. Okay? And what are the steps? There's one big main step that you have to understand, and you're on your way. You have to know whatever you're writing down, no matter if it's writing with a pencil, if it's on the computer, if it's on your phone, you have to know whatever you're writing have to be in present tense. It has to be as if it is already done at this moment. Why? Because the subconscious does not know the difference between what is real and what is fake. Okay? So when you write out whatever it is that you're trying to manifest, let it be in the present tense as if it is already here. And we'll go over that in a minute, okay? Now, why is it so important that you write out whatever it is you're trying to manifest? For some reason, when you write it out, it's like a subconscious mind reprogramming. It's like it gets into your subconscious mind faster than anything else you're doing. So everything that I try to manifest, I write it out. And people write me and they say, well, how many times, Yvette, do you have to write it out? You write it out as many times as you feel you need to. For me, I write it out once and I read it over and over and over again. Then after a while, I may write it over again. Okay? Everybody has a different way of doing stuff, and you have to take each and every one of these things and try it for yourself. But for scripting, you must realize it has to be in the present tense. If you write it out as if something is coming, it will keep coming. Your subconscious mind will know it is coming. And a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now, it will still be coming. Okay? The next thing that I want to say about when you're doing scripting is you have to have belief that it is obtainable. You have to have faith that you are going to get it, okay? Now, let's go in this book and look a little bit at the things that I did to actually script certain things into my life. I wrote in here how I was going to sell my building that I had in Hartford, Connecticut that wasn't working well. I wrote in here how I was going to get my townhouse. In fact, with my townhouse, I also wrote it on little pieces of paper that you see. Townhouse, 2 floors, small backyard, fireplace, walk-in closets, garage, large bedrooms, updated kitchen, and in a certain particular area where I wanted to live. Because I wanted to live near water, I wanted to live near entertainment. So I wrote all of these things on here. And this thing right here is dated 3/8/2014. I moved in here, totally moved in here, April 2016. So it took a year and a half, okay? And what I wrote on here is exactly what I got in my house that I'm living in right now. Not only that, I wrote more of what I wanted on this paper. So now let's look at another way that I write things out. And I already spoke to you guys about this, and this is very important. If you really want to get something in your life, Be creative. Not only did I do scripting in the books and on paper, but I also got a little creative, like I'm telling you to do. I also went out there and I had pictures made. I took pictures that were in my phone. I printed them out, and then I typed on the pictures what I wanted to have done in my life. Now, I did this multiple times. Selling my home, okay? Again, selling my building. I wanted to also do a special thing for my mom, and I also wrote that out. Again, that was done too, okay? Again, I spoke about my taxes, what was going on with my taxes. 2017, that I had this big problem that happened. There was a mistake on my taxes. I wrote that out too. Again, you could be very creative and come up with any type of thing you want to do when it comes down to scripting. I choose to write. Again, like I said, the more you write, the more you're getting it in to your subconscious mind that this is actually true. Again, it has to be in the present tense. Everything that I did was in the present tense. Now, what can you do to manifest things in your life using scripting? And what tips do I give you to make this very successful in your life? Now, I'm going by things that have worked for me. So now, what I tell you is, do not do any type of manifestation, scripting, or whatever it is if you're in a bad mood. I tell people to find that me time. Find that time where you're just alone, the kids are out the house, the husband's gone, and I want you to relax and think about what it is you want and write out in a book, whatever book you want. Write out. It could be a notebook. It could be a piece of paper like I did here, okay? But I want you to write out exactly what it is you want as if it's already there. Now, one tip that I can give you, use the thank you technique. When I say thank you, so if you want that 2020 Range Rover, thank you, God, for blessing me with my 2000 Range Rover. You're going to write it out. It's black with the white interior. It's beautiful. I just love it. Whatever it is you're trying to manifest, write out explaining how thankful you are that you have it, and take time to describe what it is you actually manifested. Okay? It's very important. Now let's go and try it again. Let's just say you wanted to move into a new apartment. What your scripting would be, it would be, thank you, God, for blessing me with my brand new apartment. I have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. I'm in a location that is safe. I have great neighbors. The price is excellent. I can afford to pay for it very easily. I have my own parking spot. Whatever it is you want to manifest, you're going to write out as if you already have it. Now, another thing you're going to do is that when you do your scripting, I tell people, don't write a book. Keep it short. You know, hey, look, this right here I wrote on front and back because I was actually explaining exactly what it is that I just received. If you want to manifest money, then you write out, hey, look, thank you, God, for blessing me with $20,000. Whatever it is to make you feel comfortable, you write that out. So that is what I'm telling everybody, how you can actually change your life and bring things into your life using scripting. Listen, this is one of the most powerful things you can do to actually manifest things in your life. And if you're trying to create certain things in your life and you haven't taken the time to actually write out what it is you're trying to manifest, you're missing a big part. You're actually setting yourself up to either take a longer time to accomplish it or not even getting it at all. Your subconscious mind is very open when you start writing things out, okay? Not only when you write out are you scripting, but you're also imagining whatever it is you're writing. You're also stating an affirmation while you're writing, because as you're writing, you are speaking it. Thank you, God, for blessing me with the money that I just received. So when you write, it's almost like you're doing multiple things at one time. And that could be why this technique is so powerful. It's because while you're writing it, you're actually speaking it and seeing it. So this video was on how to change your life for 2020 using scripting. I hope it helped you. If you like this video, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell. Again, this is the law of attraction. metaphysical channel that is designed to give you information in an easy to understand manner to help change your life. Follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also buy crystals and metaphysical items at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. I'm offering one-on-one coaching for a very reasonable price. Go to the website, myworldofmetaphysics.com, and listen, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. Thank you again, and namaste.